Here are 9 signs that you might not be eating enough carbohydrates. 1. Low energy levels. Carbs are the body's primary source of energy. A deficiency can leave you feeling tired and sluggish even after a full night's sleep. 2. Brain fog. The brain relies on glucose from carbs for optimal function. Without enough, you might experience difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, or mental fatigue. 3. Intense cravings. Low carb intake can trigger cravings for sugary or starchy foods as your body signals a need for quick energy sources. For mood swings and irritability, carbs play a role in serotonin production, the feel-good hormone. Low carb intake can lead to irritability, anxiety, or even depression. 5. Poor exercise performance. Without enough carbs, your body struggles to fuel workouts, leading to reduced endurance, strength, or recovery. 6. Constipation or digestive issues. Carbohydrates, particularly those from fiber-rich sources, are essential for healthy digestion. A lack of fiber can lead to constipation. 7. Bad breath ketosis. If carb intake is extremely low, your body may enter ketosis, causing the production of ketones that can result in bad breath. 8. Unexplained weight gain or loss. A low-carb diet can initially cause weight loss due to water depletion, but long-term deficits can lead to muscle loss or even metabolic slowdown. 9. Weakened immune system. Carbs are involved in the body's immune response. A deficiency can make you more susceptible to illnesses or prolong recovery times. Balance is key. Carbohydrate needs vary by individual based on activity level, metabolism, and health goals. Ensure you're consuming complex carbs from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy and overall health.